cosplay lovers, I am your Genie Super Gotham and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Nodwin Game. So today's video is all about Overhauls Dr. Mask tutorial from My Heroic Career. So without further ado, let's watch the tutorial. So I already drew the pattern of this mask. So now I will just cut it out. And then tracing all the patterns onto the EVA foam sheet. And now it's time to cut these patterns out. So this is the upper part of the nose. And then we will sanding the edges so that no empty space leaves behind while sticking them together. And to stick them together, we will apply contact cement onto the edges. Then one by one join these pieces together. So the base of the mask is ready. With the help of an upper part, I will trace down the measurements for the lower part. Sanding the edges. And to make the mask breathable, I am just making some random holes. Applying contact cement in order to stick these pieces together. So the base is almost ready. Here I am tracing down the pattern so that I can apply contact cement onto the specific area. Just like this. Looks so neat. And now it's time to work on detailing part. So sanding down the pieces accordingly. Cut and then place. Cut, place, cut, place. So after cutting and pasting all the pieces together, it will look like this. Adding some more details. Here I am trying to give it a sewing look. So this is the final look. Adding some more details. Now heat sealing the entire mask. Here I am applying multiple layers of synthetic glue as a primer. And to give it a smooth finish, I am sanding the entire mask with the help of 320 sandpaper Applying black spray paint on the required area. I have covered the areas which I don't want in red color. Wow, black and red combinations look so good. To give it a final look, I am applying golden paint on the required areas. Wow, this looks so amazing. I am done with my mask. Oh wait, one more thing is left. And that's the elastic belt in order to wear the mask. To give it a nice grip, I am using Rexin here. With the help of hot glue gun, I will paste it on the mask. I have covered the glued area with duct tape and my mask is ready. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and keep supporting us by sharing our videos with your friends. This is your Genie, Supriya Gautam, signing off for now. See you soon.